Hey hackers, how's it going? I am BountyHacker, and today we will continue with the cross-site scripting vulnerabilities at Portswigger Academy. So this lab contains a stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in the comment functionality. To solve this lab, submit a comment that calls the alert function when the blog post is viewed by the final user. So basically, again, we need to trigger a JavaScript alert box. I already deployed the lab on this tab, and first we must find the comment section. So I'm gonna click here on view post. Great, so let me scroll down, and here we can find the comment section, and we have some different input fields. So here we have the comment field, the name field, email, and website. In order to find stored cross-site scripting vulnerabilities on this web application, we need to determine which one of those fields of the blog is vulnerable to this kind of attack. So we are going to write some malicious payloads. For example, I'm going to use the less than symbol and the greater than symbol. Inside here, I'm going to type the word bounty. Let me copy this and I'm gonna paste it here on the email and the website. Okay, please enter an email address. So let me use an email format, example@example.com, and the website also example.com. And to find the different sections, I'm gonna type example1 and example2. Okay, I'm gonna hit post comment. Great. So let me go back to the comment section. If I scroll down, I'm gonna see my comment. Here we can see bounty and example 2 and example number 1. Now let me open the source code of the web application and we must search for our malicious payloads. Example. Okay, on example number 2, we can see my malicious payloads are getting encoded. But on the comment section, where I type example number 1 and the word bounty, the less than symbol and the greater than symbol are not getting encoded for the web application. So this opens a window of possibilities to exploit a stored cross-site scripting vulnerability. Again, I'm gonna hit. Okay, so I'm gonna type a common malicious payload for exploit cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. Script alert, and inside here I'm gonna type the word bounty, and I'm gonna close the script tag. Again, I'm gonna use the word example and the email example@example.com. The website also is gonna be an example. Okay, let me post the comment and we get the flag. Congratulations, you solved the lab. Let me go back to the blog again. And as we can see, we exploded the cross-site scripting vulnerability popping up a JavaScript alert box. Again, if we take a look of the source code of the web application, here we can see the malicious payload get stored on the web application. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like and subscribe.